Today I would like to show you how to change the receipt paper on the Dejavoo Z11. If you notice on the back of the terminal, there is a shiny, dark plastic rectangle. If you gently lift the back of that, the receipt feeder will open, exposing a well. This is where the receipt paper will go. When you take your receipt paper, make sure you have it going over itself. Pull up some receipt paper and then gently close the feeder door. Once it clicks, you can gently pull the receipt paper out and you're good to go. If you ever need to feed some receipt paper through, simply click the power button down here at the bottom lower left corner of the terminal. Thank you.